Okay, now I am going to tell you the formula of multiple angle and submultiple angle. For multiple angle, if an angle is written as theta, then 2 theta, 3 theta, 4 theta are called the multiple angle. And if angle is taken as theta, if it is written as theta by 2, theta by 3, theta by 4, then these angles are called submultiple angles. So based on this, I will be giving you some formula from the compound angles, right? So if the angles are taken as theta, suppose A is equal to theta, B is also theta, then from the first formula, what do we get? Sine theta plus theta is equal to sine theta into cos theta plus cos theta into sin theta, which is 2 sin theta cos theta. So the formula of sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now from this, the formula of cos A plus B, taking equal angles of A and B, I mean A is equal to theta, B is equal to theta, we get cos theta plus theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta plus minus sin theta into sin theta, which is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So the formula of cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So in submultiple multiple angles, you can take this formula as number 1 and this can be taken as formula number 2. Not only this, we can get some more formulas from cos 2 theta. You know, sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. So cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta. So we get 1 minus 2 sin square theta. If you are writing cos 2 theta in terms of sin square, then we need to change this in terms of cos square theta, we need to change this into cos square theta. So you can write 1 minus cos square theta in place of sin square theta. So from here we get cos square theta minus 1 minus cos square theta. That is the formula sin square theta. So it is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now, from the formula of cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, we can get some more formula. Number 3, 2 sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos 2 theta, because cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So if it goes to the other side, sin changes into plus and cos 2 theta changes into minus. So we get 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now from the formula cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, easily we can get 2 cos square theta is equal to 1 minus plus cos 2 theta. Now dividing 2 sin square theta and 2 cos square theta, we get tan square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta. Number 6, you know, there is a formula given for tan A plus B. The formula of tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. So based on this formula, in multiple angle we can get one more formula for this. So tan 2 2 theta is equal to tan theta plus tan theta, which is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta into tan theta, that is tan square theta. So out here we get 1 minus tan square theta. So this formula we are getting from tan A plus B when you are taking A is equal to theta and B is equal to theta. Now again from tan to theta we will be getting some more formula. You know, in writing a triangle, if the angle is taken as 2 theta, with respect to this angle, this is perpendicular, this is base and this is the hypotenuse. Okay? So here perpendicular is 2 tan theta, base is 1 minus tan square theta. Now we need to find h. And you know, a square is equal to p square plus b square by Pythagoras theorem. So h square is 2 tan theta whole square is 4 tan square theta plus b is 1 minus tan square theta. So we can write 1 minus tan square theta whole square. So a square is 1 plus tan square theta whole square. Okay? This is coming in the form of a minus b whole square plus 4ab, which is 1 plus a, I mean a plus b whole square. So therefore a is 1 plus tan square theta. So h is 1 plus tan square theta. Now when you have all three sides given, easily you can get the formula of tan, sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. So from this we will be getting the formula sin 2 theta. Formula is p by h, perpendicular is 2 tan theta and h is 1 plus tan square theta. And also we can get the other formula of cos 2 theta. It is b by h. So 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay? So we are getting 4 formulas for cos 2 theta. One formula is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Then we have 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then 2 cos square theta minus 1. And one more we are getting as 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And for sin theta, we are getting 2 formula. One is 2 sin theta into cos theta and the other one is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So you have to check what type of question is given, whether to convert it in tan, whether to write it in terms of tan or in terms of sin, in terms of cos. So these are the things you need to check. Okay.